Jai Shri Ram everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you friends? I hope you all guys are doing very well. So friends, in today's video I am going to share with you a wonderful technique. Okay, and I'm sure after using this technique which I'm going to share with you, after using this technique you will feel more confident in English. Okay, you will be fluent in English after using this technique. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, please watch the video right till then, because this video is going to very helpful, very useful for every English learner who wants to be fluent in English. So without any delay, let's get into the topic. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you the technique. The technique name is that picture visualization. Okay, so this is a very good technique. Okay, because many of subscribers and pupils always ask me that, ma'am, I am a shy person, I want to fluent in English, but I am a shy person, so I don't have anyone to do conversation. Okay, and I am very shy, so I am very busy, so I have no time to do any type of speaking practice. So what can I do? Okay, so because I want to fluent in English, so please give me a technique which help me to be fluent in English. So I thought that why am I not making a video on this topic? The problem is that which faced by every English learner. Okay, because they have no time, they are very shy person, they have no one to do conversation in English, to do practice in English. Okay, so here I am going to give you a method. Okay, the method name is picture visualization. Okay, you have no time. Okay, you are a shy person. Okay, and you are feel uneasy to do conversation. You feel that if you are doing many type of mistakes, then that's why you are not going to speak in English. So if you think that, then this technique will help you. Okay, so the technique name is that picture visualization. Okay, you have no time. If you are going to in market, okay, and you in your office, anywhere, okay, don't worry, just see any type of picture, just see. Okay, and imagine what is happening. Just see carefully and imagine what is happening in this picture. Just see present time, what is happening. Okay, and just think that what is going to happen in this picture. Okay, after that you imagine what had done in this picture. So you see only one picture and you can imagine in your mind in 3 periods: past, present, future. Only seeing one picture. Okay, you have no time, don't worry, just do this technique. Okay, and believe me, after applying this technique in your speaking terms, you will be fluent. Okay, you will be think in English every sentences. Okay, and when you once think in English, then it is very easy to fluent in English. Okay, so this technique is very helpful. Okay, so I will give you an example. Okay, just see this picture very carefully. Oh, just see the picture. What had happened in this picture? I think that this is a classroom picture. The teacher entered the classroom. All the students sat greeting the teacher. Good morning, ma'am. And the ma'am said, good morning, children, sit down. Okay, and ma'am asked the children, how are you? The children said, we are fine. And how about you, ma'am? The teacher said, I am also fine too. Do you remember today is a drawing competition? Children said, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We remember. Okay, so teacher said, so let's go out in the field. All the student and teacher go out in the field. Okay, then the teacher asked, have you brought some colors or seeds? The children said, yes. Okay, there are 6 children, so you can give them a name. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so the A said, I brought pencils color. B said, I brought crayons color. C said, I brought watercolors. And D said, oh, I forget the colors. Then the teacher said, don't worry. F will share with you his colors. Don't worry. Okay, so this is a power of imagine. Okay, you see only one picture and you can imagine what had happened. Okay, after that, what is happening? Now you come the point, what is happening? Just see the picture, what is happening. Okay, teacher said, what is going to draw? A said, ma'am, I am going to draw a fruit basket. Okay, then teacher asked B, what you are going to draw? The B said, I am going to draw a monkey sitting on a branch. Now the teacher said, very good. Now all of you are begin to draw. Best of luck. All the students begin to draw the pictures. Okay, and when the bell ring, lunch time, lunch break time, then the teacher collect all the seats and said, I am declared the result after lunch break. All the students said that yes ma'am. When the lunch break finished, and teacher declared E is first, D is second, and B is third. Okay, and all of you have done very well. All the students clapping the first, second, clapping for the first, second, third student. Okay, and so this is a power of imagine. Okay, you see only one picture and you summarize the past, present, and future. Okay, this is a power, and this technique will help you because you have no time. Don't worry, you can do this work in your office time. You can in your bus, auto, anywhere. Just when you are going to market and see a picture, just imagine. Okay, so this is a power of this technique. This technique don't need to enough time. Just this technique will help you if you are doing any type of work, then this technique will also help you at that time. So this technique is going to very helpful. So apply this technique in your speaking terms. Okay, because this technique helped me very much, so I am sure this technique will help you as well. So, and after that you can also make a question by seeing this picture, by imagining this picture. That I will give you example. Okay, so how can you treat your teacher in the morning? How can you greet your teacher in the morning? Okay, so this is a first question. This is a first question. Okay, and you can repeat the other question. Who forget to bring colors? So this is the second question. And the third question is that in which competition were the children going to participate? The fourth question is that what did A want to draw? So this you can also make a different type of question. You can also make a long question, short question. You can make question with related in WH family. That's who, when, where, which, how. So this is a power of this technique, picture visualization. Okay, so friends, I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family. And If you haven't subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe my channel, because this things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. And if you like my video, then give please write in the comment box, because I love to read your comment. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.